How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning to Stock Essentials. My name's Alex. We're going to be going over AMC stock, which is doing pretty decent in the market. It did have a pretty sharp sell-off earlier this week after the earnings. And even though AMC reported some pretty good earnings, they beat estimates by a bit. And we can see it's a nice uptrend upwards from the previous quarters, but the stock's still dropping and we still have analyst ratings of sell. So obviously the stock has been pretty manipulated pretty hard, but there's some good news coming out. As we can see, AMC is now accepting cryptocurrencies, which is pretty big. They're accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum and possibly Dogecoin, as we can see here. So this is going to give a lot of hype towards AMC. And right now, there's actually a pretty high implied volatility. So we can anticipate some pretty big moves in the upcoming months, which is pretty exciting that AMC is finally getting some spotlight and the recognition it deserves. So AMC sitting at around just under $40 per share. I do think that it's going to continue to go up. We had 3% on the day yesterday, Thursday, and as we can see, AMC is still doing pretty good overall, even though it's been pretty shaky, hitting highs. Monthly highs of $50 and then dropping down to $30. It's been a roller coaster, but overall the stock's been holding up ever since June. So it's pretty good. It shows that it's not just this classic pump and dump. A lot of retail investors are holding AMC stock, and there is tons of support around the stock around the $30 price point as well as $40 price point. And basically AMC is owned by mostly retail investors, which is very good to see. My positions holding a few hundred shares of AMC, selling weekly covered calls as well as cash secured puts, making that nice option income as we can see here. But regardless, we want to talk about the high implied volatility because, as we mentioned earlier, implied volatility is on the rise. And there's also some other good news with AMC. They have a partnership with Disney this weekend. Disney Plus Day takes place Friday, Saturday, Sunday, with promos across various platforms. AMC has been enlisted to screen Disney-produced films all weekend, and guests don't know what they'll be seeing until it starts. I'm not sure what that means, but it's pretty exciting that they're having a partnership with Disney, a pretty big company, and Disney has a lot of great films coming out, especially with Spider-Man No Way Home, which is going to be pretty exciting. So Disney and movie fans will win with this promotional move, but AMC is the one that stands to gain the most from the surprise screenings. It's going to bring a lot of revenue towards AMC, a lot of hype towards AMC, basically getting people to the theaters, and basically it's very good for the stock as well. So we take a look at bar charts, highest implied volatility stocks. We can see AMC shows up on this list quite often. Let's go ahead and sort by symbol. So we can see here that the highest implied volatility call option is going to be the $145 strike expiring December 17, 2021. So just a month from now, has an implied volatility of 220%. If we take a look at the options chain, we'll head over to December 17. Scrolling all the way up the options chain, open interest is pretty high, with a high implied volatility as well, 230%. And open interest is going to be over 70,000. So we take a look at calculator and we do some simple math. 70,741 times the current option premium of $71 per contract is going to be over $5 million worth of premium put into call options at this really insanely high strike, $145 strike. So basically in 1 month, AMC has to basically triple in price in order to break even at expiration. Kind of insane. I don't know if that's going to happen. There's only 1 month for a squeeze to happen. But it just goes to show that people are gambling on the stock again. And they're just ready to buy AMC. Implied volatility is pretty high. Premiums are going up, and now is like the best time to play options on AMC, right as the stock is gaining traction. So if you're not already in it, if you are looking to open up some positions, buying some AMC call options is definitely going to be a pretty good move. As you can see here, high implied volatility on the call option side. For pretty high strikes, honestly, as we can see here, tons and tons of high strikes. So a lot of people are buying these far out of the money strikes because they have the potential to gain the most money. The further out of the money you go, the riskier it is going to be, but the higher reward potential is definitely there. So if you want to do that, if you want to gamble on some options, you could buy some 145 strikes. It's only going to cost you less than $100, so that's pretty good, very cheap, and it's perfect for people who have smaller accounts and are looking to buy some lottery ticket call options. So that's about it for this video. Help in your way, please leave a like, comment down below your thoughts are on AMC, and of course subscribe to your channel. Helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.